fam, it's your girl again here, ready to spill the tea on how you can make that extra cash online with just your words. Today I'm breaking down two platforms, textfactory.com and textking.com. Now if you're ready to turn your typing skills into dollar bills, grab your drink, grab your notepad, and let's get into it, guys. Alright, let's kick things off with textfactory.com. This particular website is best for those of you who love to write. Whether you're a pro or you're just starting out but you love to write, this is the platform for you. TextFactory is a content creation platform where businesses, content creators, and companies need fresh content. That's where we come in, right? Now, how does this work? The very first step is you're going to sign up to the platform. Create a profile that showcases your writing skills. And then you wait for assignments to come in. It is that simple, guys. Now you get to write blog posts, articles, web content, or even social media posts. You know, there are so many people, they have social media platforms, but they don't know how to create the content. This is where you come in as somebody who knows how to write. Now on this platform, they have a wide range of options for you. So there's something definitely for everyone. Now the next step is the earnings. How do you earn? They pay you per word. So obviously the more you write, the more money you make. Don't get me wrong, the rates can vary, but the more skill you have, the higher the pay. So as you're getting more skilled, that is how your pay is gonna be higher. And let me give you these quick tips on how to succeed on this platform. So the tip from your girl is focus on your niche. Choose a particular niche that you're good at and focus on that. For instance, if you're good on writing about finance, lifestyle, marketing, stick on that particular niche that you're good at. The reason is, the better you are in your field, the more clients will trust you with their content. And you can tell that it is really that simple. And let me tell you, do not worry about being perfect. No, it's not about perfection. It's about the more you do this, the better you get. So guys, start from where you are and learn as you go. At this point, nobody has time for perfection because we've got some money to make. So for you to become a part of their team, for you to register with Texting Factory, these are the requirements that you have to meet. You have to be 1, fluent in English, 2, you have your own device, you have to be over 18 years, and no experience is required whatsoever. So these are what you need to know before you can become a member. So on the platform as chat operator, this is what you do. You have to answer 50 questions and money. So to become a chat operator, this is what you need to do. You go to this application form, right? And then you apply to join the team. This is pretty simple. The application is just add your name, your country of residence, your email address, and all of that, and you would become one of them, and then you cross-check your email to verify. So next up, guys, let's go to TexKings.com. That is the second platform that we are going to use to make money texting. Now this platform, TexKing.com, is similar to the very first one that we just talked about, but they got a little bit of twist on them. TexKing.com focus more on SEO rich content. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. And also they focus on longer form content. So if you've got your words with words and you know how to sprinkle in those keywords without sounding robotic, this is definitely your spot. Now, how does it work? Just like textfactory.com, you need to sign up and create a profile. But TexKings is a bit stricter when it comes to quality. So at this point, you have to bring in your A game. Now, the second is earnings. How do you earn on TexKings.com? So TexKings, definitely, they tend to pay a little bit higher because they want top-notch quality content. How does it work? You can get paid per article or per word. Remember, the first one we talked about, they pay you per word, but this one can pay you per article or per word. Some even make up to $50 for a well-researched article. Now, this is my tip for making money on this platform. For TexKings, understanding SEO, which is search engine optimization, is key. Don't you worry if you are new to it. That is why I'm here to put you through it. So there are tools like Used SEO or Grammarly that can help you level up quickly. You can see it is pretty easy. And just like Text Factory, TexKings is a great place to grow your writing skills while making some serious cash. Now guys, let's keep it real. Both these platforms, they require hard work and consistency. I mean, you can tell that all these make money online platforming, they have two things in common, and that is hard work and consistency. You're not gonna get rich overnight, but if you stay committed, you will see the money stacking up. And remember, family, this is all about growth, both financially and personally. So if you found value in this video, don't forget to click on the like button up there. Do not forget to share, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And also do not forget to click on the bell notification so as not to miss any video on how to make money online. All right, beautiful people, that is all I have for you for today. I hope this video inspires you to start earning from your writing skills. Let's all get this paper. Till next time, keep smiling, keep grinding, and keep writing. You might want to watch the next video up there. Once again, thank you for sticking around with me. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.